This is Precious Techno Muffle Furnace. It comes in three categories. First is 900 degree working, second is 1100 degree working, and third is 1400 degree Celsius working, which is based on step down transformer having silicon carbide rods inside the furnace. This muffle furnace is for 900 as well as 1100 degree. Both have the same models. The control panel is fitted beneath the chamber. This is the whole body. I'll see you from overall. Now we'll open the chamber. This is totally ceramic closed, and there is a thermocouple over there. This cotton is ceramic wool, which is for insulation. Now, what is the use of muffle furnace? It is basically used for heat treatment, ceramic and glass processing, for firing, sintering. This is for material testing, thermal analysis, ashing and calcination, and sample preparation and thermal decomposition. The heater which is fitted inside, this is Kanthal 11 wire. I'll tell you how to operate it. Now close the door. This is the temperature controller up to 1100 degrees Celsius, and this is the energy regulator. Energy regulator work is to take the heating element up to 1100 degrees Celsius, and the temperature will reach around 45 minutes. If you want to know any other technical specification related to muffle furnace, please check the below link. And if you like our video, please follow, share and subscribe.